Hey, so, Your Worship, why don't we challenge ourselves and all Yukoners to put together a kit?
How would we know if they did? Are we going to do a...
So that's what, we just got that idea. We're going to do, get them to post and put a hashtag out there. Hashtag Yukon 72-hour kit. 72. So if you put together a kit, take a picture, post it, little video, we'll repost. So let us know that you're doing it, and let's do it together, Yukon.
I think we've got a lot of resources out there from our youth and others, and I'd like to rely on them to kind of share, because I certainly have a lot to learn. We're very fortunate to have the expertise here in the Yukon, but I think we have to prepare, and I'm committed to do so. And I really do appreciate this opportunity to look at the kit that we need, and I'm going to build one too. But I like the hashtag, and I look forward to seeing some of the people with the preparedness and showing us that they're actually taking it seriously. You know, a day doesn't go by that we don't look at the wellness of our community and territory, and we have a lot of concerns, and I think this is addressing one of the biggest ones of being prepared.